What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to be checking out the Google Home Mini. Now I've had this sitting on my table in the packaging for about 6 months now, and I've never really gotten around to opening it because, as you guys know, I have the Amazon Echo 2 and that's been working fantastic, so I didn't really have the need to really open this. But hey, I think it's about time I do this. I'm probably going to set it up in my mom's room, so let's jump into the unboxing. So if you guys don't have one of these and you're gonna buy one and you just bought one, you want to know how to set it up, this video may be able to help you out. Alright, so let's check out the packaging. So this is I think the color is called charcoal black. I do believe it's available in white as well as in pink. I'll throw up the link in the description below as well. You guys will see a little picture with the different colors. But I went ahead and I got the charcoal black. Alright, to the side here, well, to the front you guys see the color. To the side here we have, I guess, all the various apps that's are supported, or some of the apps that's supported on the Google Mini. Small and Mighty, Google, well, you guys can go ahead and read all of that. So we have some pretty cool stuff. You can ask it pretty much anything, and oh, there we go. Hey, how can I help you? Just start with OK Google and then followed by the phrase that you want to ask it or the question. And yeah, that's pretty much the box, guys. Not too much going on there. Grab my Swiss Army blade, pocket tool. We're just going to kind of slice it right there. Peel off all this plastic. Now, this has been out for quite some time now. I'm pretty sure Google will eventually make a new one to this, but you know, let's check out this one because maybe you guys want to finally get one of these things. Let's see how good this one is. Alright, so pretty easy open. Just pull this little tag right here. This little tab. There we go. Google making it easy for us to unbox this. Alright, so we got the Google Home Mini. Pretty cool. Oh, that's actually really nice looking. Alright, cool. Check that out in a sec. Alright, pop this open. Is that everything? That might be everything. Yes, that is everything inside the packaging. Alright, let's get it to the side. Alright, so here's our charging cable. So, wall plug, and it's all one solid cable, so try your best not to break this. And it is a micro USB. So it looks probably about 6 feet long, so you should have enough length to try to run this cord wherever you need to run it in order to plug in your Google Mini. We have some, well, reading materials. The Let's Get Started guide. Look, that's pretty easy, guys. Plug it in, connect the power, get the app. The app will just help you through the setup. And then if you're still having problems, to learn more, that's the website. And then, yeah, we're not going to look at that. Alright, so let's take a look at the Google Mini. Alright, so this is a charcoal black. Really nice, really tiny actually. Wow, that's pretty good. Let me grab my Essential phone. You guys know the Essential phone, the size of it. There you go. It's pretty neat. I'm guessing this is going to be the competitor to the Echo and vice versa. Alright, so we have this nice cloth-like material, which I'm guessing is covering the speaker. And we have the big Google logo right there. And then we have, what does it say right there? I can't see it on camera, but it says nothing really. Oh, so there's a button right there. We have our input for charging right there. We have our microphone, which you can mute or, you know, leave it on to play. And that's pretty much the speaker, guys. Let me go ahead and plug this up. And we're just going to try it out to see how good the Google Mini is. Alrighty, so everything is all plugged into the power source. And let's run the cable into the speaker. Okay, there we go. It should start to talk to us anytime soon. In the meantime, you want to go ahead and grab your smart device, your tablet or your phone. You're going to go over to the Google Play Store or the App Store, and you're going to download the Google Home app. There we go. And the speaker should greet us in a few. I kind of want you guys to hear that. It actually sounds really cool.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Alright, so pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to do just that. We're going to open up the Google Home app. I'm going to hit Get Started. I'm going to punch in my email really quickly. Alright, and then eventually it's going to take you to the home page of the app. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to hit add. We're going to hit setup. It's going to start searching for the speaker. New device. Next. There we go. It's going to start searching for it, guys. So it's a pretty easy setup. I've done a few Google products before, or Google Home products. It's been pretty cool. So Google Home Mini found. We're going to hit yes. It's going to start to connect it. Now, comment down below if you guys have one of these. Is it really cool? Do you guys like it? Just going off of the setup so far, I think I'm going to like this speaker, guys. I'm going to actually just keep it in my room and give my mom the Alexa. Or maybe not. I don't know yet. Let's see. Alright, so did you hear the sound? Yes, we did. We're going to hit yes. Okay, automatically share device stats and crash. Nah, okay, you know, yes. You know, we share everything with them anyways. Silent Speed 19, that was my old room name. Now let me connect it to Wi-Fi. Sweet, so Wi-Fi is all connected. We're just going to continue with the setup. Okay, teach your Google Voice to recognize. Okay, let's give that a shot. Okay, Google. Okay, it says this previous recording can be used to make a voice model of this device, or on this device. This should take less than a minute. Okay, so we're just gonna let that set up. All right, and it looks like it's all done. We're gonna hit agree. Oh, now we can add our music. We're not gonna hit Spotify now. No. Do we have anything in here? Nothing yet. Okay, we're gonna hit next. Next, you're gonna skip all that setup. Skip payment. Oh, it's gonna download some updates now. This might also take a few more minutes, so I'll be back to you in a sec. Alrighty, so that update took about 4 minutes to be exact, and let's continue the setup.
I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, so these are a few phrases you can tell it to do. Finish setup, and we're good to go. Alright, let's try it out. Okay, Google, what's the weather?
54 and cloudy. Today, it'll be rainy, with a forecasted high of 54 and a low of 32. And tomorrow, it'll be sunny.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, Google, volume 100%. Okay, let's ask it again. Okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 2:15.
Okay, she's pretty cool. Okay, Google, who's the president?
The President of the United States of America is Donald Trump.
Okay. Okay, Google, who is LeBron James?
According to Wikipedia, LeBron Raymond James Sr. is an American professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association.
Okay, cool. Okay, Google, spell supercalifragilistic.
Supercalifragilistic is spelled supercalifragilistic.
Okay, cool. That was a total meant to be a joke, but she actually spelled it out. Okay, Google, what is 6,085 multiplied by 98?
The answer is 596,330.
Okay, Google, how much is 1,000 miles in kilometers?
1,000 miles equal 1,609.344 kilometers.
Okay, she's balling, guys. Okay, Google, play Faded.
Okay, asking Pandora to play some music.
Alright, guys, so she actually played the song from Pandora, even though I did not set up Pandora to it. But due to copyright, reasons, I kind of had to pause the video. But let's try this again. Okay, Google, play Faded from YouTube.
To hear that on YouTube, you'll need to sign up for YouTube Music Premium. In the meantime, here's some music on Google Play Music.
Okay, Google, stop. Okay, so there you go, guys. If you want to just stream from YouTube, which you can. If you guys got Spotify or something else, cancel if you want to. Sign up for YouTube Music, and then you can just rock out on your Google Home Mini, guys. So far so good. It seems to work pretty good. Okay, Google, set alarm for 2:20.
Okay, your alarm's set for 2:20 p.m.
Okay, Google, set a reminder. Pick up some milk tomorrow at 4 p.m.
Okay, tomorrow at 4 p.m. To get this reminder on an iPhone, you'll need to download the Google Assistant app.
There you go, guys. So it is supported on iPhones. So I think I like this, guys. It's pretty cool. The sound is really nice. It's pretty responsive to my voice, and it's a cool product, guys. I can't believe how good the Google Home Mini is. All right, now share your thoughts in the comment below. Let me know what you think about this, and if there's any other products similar to this you guys would like me to feature on the channel, I'll definitely be happy to check it out. And that's where we're going to end the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, share this on all your medias with anyone who this might be useful to. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.